What's popping, y'all? It is your girl J Monroe, and I am back again with another video. So as you could tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we will be doing 2 slick back buns. I already separated my hair into 2 pigtails and did a side part. Now as you can see, I've taken out one of the ponytails and I'm just gonna split that section into half and then clip away all the extra hair. And just comb it out and make sure that there's no tangles or knots or anything like that. And then you want to spray that whole back section with Got To Be Glue Free spray at the roots. And this is what's going to give your hair that hold and like mold it into the ponytail and make sure that it's slicked down. So then you want to use your hands to mold your hair into the ponytail, or you could use a rat tail comb, either one. And then hold it tight where you want the ponytail to be. And then go over it with a blow dryer until it is about completely dry or like 90% dry, just to make sure that it stays in the shape of the ponytail. And then you want to tie it back just as if you were putting your hair into a regular ponytail. And then you're going to take out that front section. Make sure you pull out whatever edges or baby hairs you want to leave out of the ponytail, because if you don't and you slick it back with the rest of the hair, it's going to be really hard to get it out afterwards because your hair is going to be dry and molded into the ponytail. So you just want to comb the front into the ponytail, make sure that it's no tangles, no bumps, no kinks, and try to get it as slick as possible so that you can have that sleek, laid down look. If you want, you can also pull out some sideburns like how I'm doing, that I'm going to curl in the end just to give it kind of like that messy, fluffy edges look. And then you're going to want to do the same thing we did to that back section. Just spray it with Got To Be Glue and make sure that you spray the entire perimeter, the front, by the root, and just spray everywhere that you see any flyaways, and then lay it down with the rat tooth comb and hold it tight and go over it with the blow dryer. Then after you're done doing that, you're just going to attach that last section that we just slicked down to the first ponytail in order to make it all just one pigtail. And then you're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now on the other side, we're pretty much doing the same thing, just sectioning it into 2 sections, slicking down the back, and then later on you're going to see me slick down the top. Now for the top part, I didn't want to do the swoop completely on my face. I wanted it to be to the side. But if you want to do the swoop coming down on your face, like towards your eyebrows, all you have to do is just brush your hair forward instead of to the side. I hope that makes sense and y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, just make sure that you're combing the hair whichever way you want the swoop to go. Now, I forgot to record myself adding my hair to the ponytail on this bun, but I did do it on the second one, so you'll be able to see how I do it. But basically, you just tie a scrunchie to a pack of braiding hair and then tie that scrunchie to your ponytail. It's really simple. And then you want to separate a piece out and spray it with Got2b glue and wrap it around your scrunchie to hide the scrunchie so that it's not showing, and to hide where the braiding hair connects to your real hair. Just wrap it around a couple of times. Spray it with Got2b, blow dry it until it's completely dry, and then wrap it until there's no more hair left. And then when you have that one little stringy piece, just wrap it really tightly, spray it with Got2b glue, and blow dry it. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to take the braiding hair and twist it and try to cover your natural hair as much as possible with the braiding hair. And you're gonna just want to twist it tightly. I twisted mine to the right. You can go right or left, it doesn't matter. I would recommend going right, because if you go, I would recommend going left, because if you go right, it could cause tension in the middle part because you're twisting your hair away from where the part is. So try not to create too much tension on your head. But basically what I did is you just twist it and twist it until you're about a little bit above halfway through the ponytail, and then you want to just start twisting it back up. So you're going to twist it down and then twist the hair back up, kind of like into a little spiral shape, and that's how you're going to create the bun. And then just tie it with the rubber band at the end. I'm going to do it again on the second bun so you guys could look closely at it again. But basically all I'm doing is just twisting it all the way down until I'm about halfway through, and then just twisting it back up, the twist I already made, going in like a kind of donut spiral shape to even it out. Okay, so right now it's the next morning and I'm just slicking down my edges, and then I'm going to take a flat iron and use it to curl those two little side pieces that I left out. And that is the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.